Want faster, richer compost and healthier plants? The secret is alfalfa. This humble plant is a powerful compost accelerator trusted by gardeners for generations. Adding alfalfa to your compost wakes up the microbes, speeds up decomposition, and infuses your pile with nutrients grass clippings can't match. Think of it as a multivitamin for your soil, leading to stronger roots, bigger harvests, and vibrant blooms. Ready to transform your compost and garden? Let's dive in and unlock your soil's full potential. Alfalfa is loaded with nitrogen, just what compost microbes crave for fast, hot decomposition. Its low carbon-to-nitrogen ratio fuels rapid breakdown, and it's packed with proteins, vitamins, and minerals that enrich your compost. Alfalfa also contains triacontanol, a natural growth stimulant that boosts root development and nutrient uptake, even after composting. That's why alfalfa is a true compost supercharger. Whether you use pellets, hay, or fresh leaves, it gives your garden a natural edge. When buying alfalfa for your compost or garden, you'll usually see two main options: traditional hay and compact pellets. Each has its own unique benefits and drawbacks, and choosing the right one can make a big difference in your results. Hay adds valuable structure and creates air pockets in your compost pile, which helps with aeration and encourages healthy microbial activity. But it's also bulky, can be messy to handle, and unless you buy certified weed-free hay, it may introduce unwanted weed seeds into your garden. If your compost pile doesn't get hot enough to kill those seeds, they might survive the process and sprout up where you least want them, right in your garden beds. Pellets, on the other hand, are made by grinding and steaming alfalfa. This process destroys weed seeds, increases the surface area for microbes, and makes nutrients more accessible. They're dense, easy to store in small spaces, and dissolve rapidly when wet, which helps them break down and feed your compost pile much faster. In my own test, the compost pile made with pellets heated up noticeably faster than the one with hay. The pellet pile also broke down weeks sooner, producing finished compost much more quickly than the hay pile. Pellets are clean, convenient, and deliver consistent results. Plus, you don't have to worry about introducing weeds. For most home gardeners, alfalfa pellets are the clear winner for composting and soil building. Next, I'll show you exactly how to use them in your compost pile for the best results. Stick around. You'll be amazed at the difference alfalfa pellets can make in your garden. Using alfalfa pellets is simple. Add a thin layer of pellets for every 4-6 inches of brown material, like dried leaves or cardboard. Sprinkle a few handfuls over each layer, then water lightly to help them break down. Don't overdo it. Too much nitrogen can make your pile slimy and slow. Always keep more browns than greens for balance. With this method, your compost will heat up fast and break down beautifully. Alfalfa pellets are my top pick for easy, effective composting. Try them in your next pile and watch your garden thrive. Fast, nutrient-rich compost is just a bag of pellets away.